Hafa guys, Yara Guam here. Today we will be opening some mystery packs from Sauce TCG. These are some awesome looking packs. You can definitely see the effort that was put into these, and also here are some of the chase cards that we can get. So hopefully we can pull one of them today. I ordered 5 of these and my guy threw in an extra pack. So thank you so much, Sauce TCG. Guys, I'll be putting his information in the description below if you'd be interested in getting some mystery packs as well. The giveaway winner from my past video will be in the description below as well. For this video's giveaway, I'll be giving away these cards right here. And you already know what to do. Like this video, must be a subscriber. You can also hit that notification bell for future content and let me know what was your favorite card from today's video. All right, but before we open these mystery packs, I have some random blisters here. So before the main event, we will be opening these. All right, let's go start off with, let's go down the line. Let's go down the line. Let's go like this. Okay. All right, let's go start with Dawn of Majesty. All right, guys. Hopefully we can pull something good. I am looking forward to opening the mystery packs, but you know, you gotta have some appetizers, right? So what first we got we got an ultra, we got a high ritual art from Dawn of Majesty. Okay. Let's keep the ball rolling. Hopefully we can pull another ultra, or maybe in secret. All right, here we go. We got a branded opening. Okay, let's go with Synchro Storm. Can we pull a Baronne de Fleur? Or maybe another Ghost Rare. That'll be crazy. But yeah, guys. Ooh. How'd you guys like my last video? Literally opening every 2021 set. Yeah, that was pretty cool, right? So here we go. We got a Lyrilless Promenade Thrush. Hopefully you guys saw that one. But yeah, here we go. We got a Lyrilless Burrow Canary. Okay, nothing in that one. Let's see this one. Okay, we got a Lyrilless Ensemble Blue Robin. Nice. Can this blister pack get any better? Come on. Got a nothing. Okay, we will go with King's Court. Can we pull another Lightning Storm? We've been blessed with so many Lightning Storms on this set, so hopefully we can pull something crazy good. Xyz Hyper Cannon. Okay. Burst of Destiny. Right here. Magic-y Fiend. King's Court. Ooh, we have this thing. Hopefully there's something good in here. Come on. Let's go. And we got a magnet induction. Okay. That kind of hyped me up a little. Thought it was something like crazy. Okay, last appetizer for this video. Yeah, let's go. Ooh, we got a heavy B Trooper Mighty Neptune. Nice. All right, guys, we are moving on to Sauce TCG mystery packs. Ooh, hopefully we can pull something good. Let's see. Ooh, shoot, did I open this right? Okay, guys, hold on. Oh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, for our first pack, we got Ties of the Brethren, Melfi Puppy, You and I, the Dark Infant, and Dogmatica Maximus. Next pack. These are pretty. It's like opening a sandwich. Pretty cool though. All right, we got a lifeless leaf fish, Concealer, Ptolemy, Googly Eyes Drum Dragon, Albion the Shrouded Dragon, and we got a Eye Contact. Okay. Okay, here we go. Got the Forceful Checkpoint, Despia of the Branded, Chronomaly and Kambaro figures, and we got a branded opening. And an Evil Malicious Bane. Holy crap. Holy crap. I wanted this. This is awesome. Dang. Okay. That's pretty good. I was gonna buy a single, but now I don't have to. Dang. That's cool. That's an awesome pull. All right, Summoner's Art, Chronomaly Akambaro figures, 1x1, some Summer Summoner, and a Gaia Saber the Lightning Shadow. Dang, this is pretty cool. All right, let's keep this going. Here we go. Where that opening at? Okay, here it is. Here it is. Ooh. I love me some mystery. Baby Mud Dragon, Gaia Armor, Dragon Shell, Stardust Trail, and a Majestic Mirage. And we got a Time Thief Redoer. Ooh. Nice. Okay. Here we go. We got our final mystery pack. And I'm pretty satisfied with what I got already. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, this one looks like, ooh, I feel it. Just from the first card, you see that Dark Crisis? Man, this must be an OG. This is OG, come on. Let's see what we can pull. Cyber Raider. Ooh, Speed Duel. Winged Dragon, Guardian of the Forest. Guardian of the Fortress #1. Phantom Knights, Rank Up Magic Force. And Despian Comedy. And our final card. Time Thief Perpetua. All right, guys, that concludes our mystery packs. I'm so happy with this, man. This is so cool. Evil Malicious Hero Bane. Ooh. But yeah, guys, check out Sauce TCG for some mystery packs, man. He has them on eBay, and you can also hit him up on Instagram. So yeah, I'll be putting his information in the description below. So yeah, thank you again, Sauce TCG, for these awesome looking packs, man. And yeah, guys, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yada Guam out.